entrepreneurs who are ready to be the expert who wrote the book on it. I'm so excited to be speaking with you today about the kind of book that you need to prove that you are an expert. So let's get right down to it. There's this idea out there, and I'm not sure which coaches are promoting it, but it's this thing called a business card book. And what they're saying is that this business card book will help you to advance your business. So what is a business card book? It's a book that's about 4x4 that gives a general overview of who you are. So it takes that business card concept, your name, what you do, maybe your email address, and puts it into a book. It's very short and it's a concise overview. Well, these coaches who are promoting these business card books make the argument that people won't throw away books. They'll throw away a business card, but they won't throw away a book. Well, guess what? They're wrong. People do throw away these books. So one, they're a waste of money, but two, there's a much more grave circumstance of creating one of these business card books and thinking that it's going to work. Your readers, your potential clients are not interested in these 20-page highlight quote books, or some kind of compilation of your blog. They can read that on your blog. And so there are business coaches, book coaches out there who will say, oh, writing a book is easy. Just put together a compilation of your favorite quotes from your own blog entries, and those things just make you look lazy and like you don't really care about sharing a quality message with your potential client. So that, if you think about your quality message, what do you want in your communication with your potential client? You want to create a conversation, a meaningful conversation that allows this potential client to know who you are, what you stand for, and most importantly, how you can solve their problem with your unique solution, your method, your strategy, whatever it is that you've come up with as your system that gets results and helps people to solve a problem. So in order to make that quality conversation, you don't need a collection of quotes from you or someone else. You don't need a collection of your blog articles that don't even read as a cohesive book. What you need is an expert book, a conversation starter, something that's really going to get you into conversation with that potential client and have them say, wow, this person really understands my situation and they are able to solve my problem versus those are some really cute quotes. I'm just going to throw this book away. What you want is that conversation. What you want is for that client to finally feel understood. You know what their problem is. You may have lived it yourself, and that's how you came to know how to solve it. Those are the kinds of stories that we want to include in your expert book. So instead of giving them a big overview or some cute quotes from yourself, Abraham Lincoln, as you would in a business card book, what you're giving them in an expert book are real results, real solutions, and a real idea of who you are and why you are able to provide those real results and real solutions. Sometimes I think that coaches don't have the real results to prove, and those are the ones who hide behind a business card book because they don't have enough actual results with clients to write a real expert book. At least that's the way that the rest of the business world perceives these business card books. Because if you could get real results, if you could have a real conversation, wouldn't you write that book? That's the perception out there. And if you have known me for 5 minutes, you know that I'm a tell it like it is kind of a gal. I am not about smoke and mirrors. I'm about telling it the way that it is so that you can get your quality message out to your client and work your magic, live your mission, do the thing that you were put here on this earth to do. And if you want to do that, you need a quality book that will start a quality conversation with the exact right client. If you're interested in those kind of real results and those kind of real conversations, let's chat about how your book can really take your business to the next level, get you in conversation with the right people about how you can help solve their unique problem. You can reach me at www.laurelelite.com, and we can set up a time to chat about your expert business book. Let's talk soon.